Wouldn't it be nice just to skip right to the top of the search results? Well, you actually can with Google Ads. So there's a couple different types of Google Ads. There's actually several. We focus on a handful of them. So there are Google Local Services ads, which you can see behind me, and then there's Google Ads on this side, and they look very similar if you can see those screens, but they are very different. Google Local Services ads is a brand new product that's only available to service providers in certain major markets, and you have to be a certain type of service provider. So that may or may not be available. If it is available for you and your market, your business, we'd love to talk about it. And then Google Ads, just the regular full-blown Google Ads, not Google Ads Express. When we talk to somebody and they're already running their Google Ads and they say we're not getting results and stuff like this, 9 times out of 10, they are on Google Ads Express, where they do not have all of the targeting options and everything else that you get in the Google Ads full version. And the Google Ads full version is free. They make the Express version to make sure that people can still use Google Ads even if they're not an expert at it. I am personally certified in Google Search Ads. That is the first ad I would prefer to set up for anybody. And then from Search Ads, we'll go to remarketing ads, maybe True View ads. Those are the ads you see before YouTube videos. And display ads. So the display ads would be remarketing ads, but we can get into all of that on a phone call, or learn more about all the types of different ads below. And if you have any questions, like always, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to clear them up or set you up with a Google Ads account with a fresh $100 credit from Google to boot.